Pattaya has transformed dramatically over the decades, evolving from a quiet fishing village into one of Southeast Asia's most vibrant and sought-after destinations. What was once known primarily for its bustling nightlife has blossomed into a full-scale luxury travel hub, attracting discerning travelers from every corner of the globe. The city's coastline, stretching along the Gulf of Thailand, is now dotted with some of the most breathtaking five-star hotels and resorts that money can buy. Whether you are seeking a tranquil beachfront escape, a family-friendly paradise, or an adults-only retreat dripping in sophistication, Pattaya has something extraordinary waiting for you. The sheer variety of world-class accommodations available here is genuinely staggering, and choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That is exactly why this carefully curated list of the top 10 best 5-star hotels and resorts in Pattaya exists, to help you make the most informed and rewarding decision for your next unforgettable stay. From infinity pools that seem to melt into the ocean horizon, to Michelin-worthy dining experiences and spa sanctuaries that restore the soul, these properties redefine what luxury hospitality truly means. Each of these establishments has earned its prestigious 5-star status through an unwavering commitment to excellence, personalized service, and architectural beauty that leaves guests absolutely speechless. So sit back, let the imagination wander, and prepare to discover the very best that Pattaya's luxury accommodation scene has to offer. Perched dramatically on a private cliff overlooking the Gulf of Thailand, the Royal Cliff Hotels Group is nothing short of legendary in Pattaya's hospitality landscape. This iconic property is actually a collection of 4 distinct hotels nestled within a sprawling 40-acre tropical estate, making it one of the largest and most comprehensive luxury resorts in all of Thailand. The Royal Cliff Grand Hotel caters to business and leisure travelers seeking refined elegance, while the Royal Wing Suites and Spa offers an exclusive butler-serviced experience that rivals the finest properties anywhere in the world. Guests are treated to panoramic ocean views from virtually every vantage point on the property, and the lush tropical gardens that surround the complex create an atmosphere of serene, timeless beauty. With multiple swimming pools, a world-class conference center, and an impressive array of dining options ranging from authentic Thai cuisine to international gourmet fare, the Royal Cliff truly delivers a complete luxury experience. The attention to detail here is extraordinary, from the hand-selected furnishings in each suite to the personalized service that anticipates every guest's need before it is even expressed. Rising majestically above the heart of Pattaya Beach, the Hilton Pattaya is a sleek modern tower of glass and steel that has become one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Directly connected to the Central Festival Pattaya Beach Shopping Complex, this hotel offers an unparalleled combination of luxury accommodation and retail convenience that urban travelers absolutely adore. The rooms and suites are designed with a contemporary aesthetic that maximizes the stunning ocean and city views, with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood each space with natural light. The Rooftop Edge restaurant and bar is a destination in itself, offering guests a breathtaking dining experience suspended high above the shimmering coastline. The infinity pool on the 16th floor is one of the most photographed spots in all of Pattaya, and for very good reason. The views from up there are simply extraordinary. The Hilton's commitment to impeccable service, combined with its prime location and stunning design, makes it a perennial favorite among both leisure and business travelers visiting the city. Tucked away on the quieter, more exclusive Phra Tamnak Hill, the Intercontinental Pattaya Resort offers a sense of seclusion and tranquility that is genuinely rare in such a bustling destination. This stunning property cascades down a lush hillside toward a private beach, creating a dramatic landscape of tropical greenery, sparkling pools, and breathtaking sea views. The resort's architecture beautifully blends contemporary design with traditional Thai influences, resulting in spaces that feel both luxurious and deeply connected to the local culture. Each villa and suite is a private sanctuary, many featuring their own plunge pools and outdoor terraces where guests can soak in the spectacular surroundings in complete privacy. The Intercontinental's dining offerings are exceptional, with the Sala restaurant serving refined Thai cuisine in an open-air setting that makes every meal feel like a special occasion. The spa here is widely regarded as one of the finest in Pattaya, offering a comprehensive menu of treatments inspired by ancient Thai healing traditions. For families traveling with children, the Centera Grand Mirage Beach Resort Pattaya is quite simply the ultimate destination. Built around a spectacular Lost World adventure theme, This resort transforms the concept of a family vacation into something truly magical and unforgettable. The water park within the resort grounds features an impressive collection of slides, pools, and water attractions that keep younger guests entertained from sunrise to sunset. But do not be mistaken. This property is equally impressive for adult travelers, offering sophisticated dining, a luxurious spa, and elegantly appointed rooms and suites that provide a genuine 5-star experience. The resort sits directly on Wong Amat Beach, one of Pattaya's cleanest and most beautiful stretches of coastline, giving guests immediate access to the warm, crystal-clear waters of the Gulf of Thailand. The sheer scale of this resort, combined with its extraordinary range of facilities and consistently high service standards, makes it one of the most impressive properties in the entire region. The Amari Pattaya has long been celebrated as one of the city's most stylish and sophisticated luxury hotels, and a recent renovation has elevated it to even greater heights of elegance. Situated on the northern end of Pattaya Beach, the hotel enjoys a prime location that offers stunning sea views while remaining conveniently close to the city's major attractions and entertainment venues. The rooms and suites here are beautifully designed, featuring warm, contemporary interiors that create an immediate sense of comfort and refinement. The Amaya Food Gallery is one of Pattaya's most celebrated dining destinations, offering an innovative open kitchen concept where guests can watch talented chefs prepare a diverse range of international and Thai dishes right before their eyes. The rooftop pool and bar area is another highlight, providing a serene escape from the energy of the city below while delivering some of the most spectacular sunset views imaginable. The Amari's signature blend of genuine Thai warmth and international luxury standards has earned it a fiercely loyal following among repeat visitors to Pattaya. The Pullman Pattaya Hotel G represents a bold and refreshing departure from the traditional luxury hotel formula, embracing a vibrant, design-forward philosophy that appeals strongly to younger, style-conscious travelers. Located in the heart of the city, this property is a visual feast, with striking contemporary architecture and interiors that feel more like a curated art installation than a conventional hotel. The rooms are sleek and thoughtfully designed, incorporating smart technology and premium amenities that cater to the modern traveler's every need. The rooftop pool area is a social hub, buzzing with energy and offering spectacular views across the Pattaya skyline and coastline. The hotel's dining and bar concepts are equally impressive, with creative menus and inventive cocktails that reflect the property's dynamic, forward-thinking personality. Despite its trendy, energetic atmosphere, the Pullman Pattaya Hotel G never compromises on the fundamental standards of 5-star service and comfort that discerning guests rightfully expect. The Dusit Thani Pattaya is a timeless classic in the city's luxury hotel landscape, carrying the distinguished heritage of one of Thailand's most revered hospitality brands. Set on a beautifully landscaped beachfront property, this hotel exudes a graceful elegance that feels both deeply Thai and effortlessly international. The rooms and suites are spacious and exquisitely furnished, drawing on traditional Thai design motifs to create spaces of genuine warmth and beauty. The hotel's multiple dining venues offer everything from authentic Thai royal cuisine to contemporary international dishes, all prepared with exceptional skill and presented with artistic flair. The Devarana Spa, which is the Dusit Group's signature wellness brand, provides a deeply restorative experience rooted in ancient Thai healing philosophies, making it one of the most sought-after spa destinations in Pattaya. The Dusit Thani's enduring reputation for gracious, heartfelt hospitality continues to make it a beloved choice for travelers who appreciate the finer things in life. Nestled on the serene and picturesque Cape Dara headland, this stunning boutique resort offers a level of intimacy and exclusivity that larger properties simply cannot replicate. The Cape Dara Resort is a hidden gem that rewards those who seek it out with breathtaking panoramic views of the Gulf of Thailand, beautifully appointed rooms and suites, and a sense of peaceful seclusion that feels worlds away from the city's bustle. The architecture here is inspired by traditional Thai palace design, creating an atmosphere of regal elegance that is both visually stunning and deeply culturally resonant. The resort's infinity pool is one of the most spectacular in Pattaya, appearing to flow seamlessly into the shimmering ocean below. Dining at Cape Dara is a genuine pleasure, with the restaurant serving beautifully crafted Thai and international dishes in an open-air setting that makes the most of the resort's extraordinary natural surroundings. For travelers seeking a truly special and memorable Pattaya experience, Cape Dara Resort is an absolute must. Pattaya's 5-star hotel and resort scene is a testament to how dramatically this city has evolved and how seriously it takes the art of luxury hospitality. From the legendary clifftop grandeur of the Royal Cliff Hotels Group to the intimate elegance of Cape Dara Resort, each of these extraordinary properties brings something unique and irreplaceable to the table. What unites them all is an unwavering dedication to delivering experiences that go far beyond simply providing a place to sleep. These are destinations in their own right, places where memories are made, and where the very best of Thai hospitality shines through in every interaction. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family adventure, a solo retreat, or a corporate event, Pattaya's finest hotels and resorts are fully equipped to exceed your every expectation. The city continues to attract significant investment in luxury tourism infrastructure, meaning that the already impressive standard of accommodation on offer is only going to rise further in the coming years. Pattaya is no longer just a party destination, it is a world-class luxury travel hub that deserves a prominent place on every discerning traveler's bucket list.